means this array consisting of 3 columns. This array consists, second array consisting of 3 columns. Okay, that is the syntax. So now here, now we need to separate them with the column, comma, and then it is one row, sorry, one array, second array separated with column, comma. Now you need to keep them in two arrays in flower braces. Understood that? This is called representing of two-dimensional 2D array, also called as matrix. Simply you need to say them as the first this whatever the value you kept in square brackets, it indicates that how many rows are there. First array will be called as one row, second array will be called as second row. If every array must have, you have represented 4, means every array must have 4 columns. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that is the story, like this. Okay, try to understand. 2 rows are there, one array means one row, second array means second row. Okay, every array having 4 columns, 3 columns, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, so columns. Okay, now this is the syntax to write the 2D arrays. Now come to the point. Once it is declared, so now how to access the values? Okay, comment here, how to access the values of 2D array. Okay, how to access? So how to access the values of 2D array? First of all, you need to print f bracket. Within this you need to specify the format, specify in square double quotation marks and percentage symbol DRI, because all are integer. Okay, all are integer values. Either you need to keep format specifier DRI and comma. Then after you need to represent that what is our array name, num bracket square bracket. Within this we need to represent, suppose every array position, this first array position is 0 index, second array position is equal to 1. So we need to indicate the first value, indicate the which array. Okay, suppose 1, it's this total array position is equal to 0. Every individual element has the index position 0 1 2 3, but the total array index position is 0. So 1 means this index having 0, total index has the 0 the position, this has the 1 position. So if I am first value indicating the position of that array, 1 means this array. And now again square brackets, suppose 1 means this array. So which value? Suppose last value. What is the last value position? Third. If you represent 3, so now you will get the one array third value. So 0 1 means this total array has 0 index, this array has 1 index. So 1 means second array third element, 0 1 2 3, you will get the 12. Okay, now printf, this is the syntax we have written. Then after you terminate this with the semicolon. Now if you run this code, you will get the result. The result will be what I am commenting here. What will be the result? This is the 12. Okay, let us build and run. Stop this and build and run. You will get the answer. So but you are getting array type has incomplete element type int. So in which line? 11th line. 11th line int num1 2 4. So here no need of this one. No need of this one. Okay. You remove this one. Now you run this code. Build and run. In 14th line error is there. 14th line, what is the error? 14th line error. Subscripted value is neither array nor pointer nor vector. So print num13 return 0. So why it is giving error? You have mentioned here num, but num is single dimensional array, but you have mentioned here two-dimensional, means multi-dimensional array. So but num, this num variable, num array is a single dimensional array. There is no any two-dimensional. So you have declared this as multi-dimensional, single two-dimensional array. So now you change this as num1. Okay, now run this code, build and run. So now this is the value you are getting. This is the 12 is the least value. Not 12 is the one, means second array, third element is 12. So if you want to write somewhat text in front of this, you write the value of as per this. Okay, 1 value of first array, which element 0 1 2 3, third element value of already we have written. Put a separator here is equal to, otherwise put a colon, single colon or double colon. In programming, these small elements, quotes, colon, semicolon, comma, these forward slash, these small elements, they are called tokens, which is support in programming. All the values assigned for any variables, all the variables are called identifiers in programming. All the variables are called identifiers, and the values assigned to any variable, they are called literals. If we have mentioned all integer, they are called integer literals. Float literals means values. Float literals, char literals, boolean literals. All the values we assign for the variables called literals, means values. So many literals are there. Integer literals, float literals, string literals, char literal, boolean literal. All the variables are called identifiers, and the small elements is equal to, colon, quote, small elements which will support in programming, they are called tokens. So now if you write this, run this code, build and run, stop this and build and run. So means value of first array. What is the first array? This is the 0 array. This is the first array. Value of first array, third element. Third element means this is the last element. 12. So if I change this one more array, if I added here, suppose one more array, if I added here 87 comma 70 comma 40. So 4 elements are there. I need to declare one more array as 4 elements. So now this is the first array, 0 index. This is the second array, 1 index. This is the last array, means third array with index number 2. Index of this first array 0, index of this array 1, index of this array is equal to. So now I need to mention here how many rows are there. 1 row, 2, second row, third row. I need to mention this as 3. Means this array has 3 rows but 4 columns. Okay. Now this is called how many dimensions? Three dimensional array. Okay.